Welcome to our video guide on the new Placements Marketplace feature for affiliates. The Placements Marketplace allows affiliates to upload specific placements or opportunities to our platform they would like to showcase to the advertisers whose programs they are joined to. The placements posted can then be viewed and undertaken by the advertisers. You can find the Placements Marketplace once logged into your Commission Factory affiliate account under Marketplace in the top navigation. Hover over Placements and then select Directory. Once in the directory, hit Add New and select the type of placement you would like to offer. There are a number of categories to choose from. However, there is also an Other category should the others not be suitable for your offer. Click Next once you have selected your placement type. In this section, you must fill in the content requirements for your offer. The placement title, a description of your placement. This could include important information regarding minimum commission rate criteria or specific commission increase requirements and any information which might be helpful to make your placement appealing, such as database numbers for EDM sendouts or impression and click volumes for specific page promotions. Next, select the submission deadline for advertisers to participate. Then, select the start and end date of your placement. The Is Availability Limited field refers to how many brands can apply to the placement. By selecting Yes, you must type a number of maximum applications. A placement will be removed once the maximum number of applications has been reached. The Are Any Creatives Required field is where you can add in any creatives you need from the brand for the placement. For example, creative asset requirements with specific sizing measurements. Once finished, click Next. Here, you have the ability to select any commercial requirements for the placement. This can either be a fixed fee or a commission increase, both, or none. By selecting Fixed Fee, you must enter the amount you want to charge to the advertiser. By selecting a commission increase, the advertiser will make an offer upon their application to your placement. Next, you can decide whether your placement will be visible to all of the advertisers you are joined to, or a select few only. Once chosen, click Next to view a summary and confirm the placement. When happy with your placement, press Save and this will be posted to the Placements Marketplace. Any placements you've submitted will appear in your directory. You can clone, edit, or delete it at any time by hitting the three dots on the right-hand side. Any advertiser applications to your placements can be found in the Applications section. By clicking on the three dots icon, you can view, accept, or decline the application.